Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I'm here with another box. This is Boxable box number 9. I'm getting close, super close to the double digits, guys. So box number 9 in my Boxable workshop. Another goodie. We'll talk paper first. This is a brand new paper collection by Bobunny. It's called Charmed. It is beautiful. This is a paper collection that I typically would not like because I'm not really into the super vintage, and I particularly don't like fairies. I know I'm going to get a bazillion and one comments or thumbs down, but it's the truth. But I like this paper. I love this paper, and I was I was making this box for the creator of this album, Miss Lina, and I thought it went really well with her paper collection. The whole life is a journey and only you hold the key, and you'll see what I mean in her by her album. So I picked it for her album, and I love the paper now. All right, so check out. I don't think it's available yet. It is again once again by Bobunny, and it's called Charmed. So this box is another goodie. All right, so Boxable is a workshop that I did. It was a workshop that lasted an entire year. It's over in December. This is box number 9. So you will have 12 boxes by the end of the year. These 12 boxes are all blank canvases. All right, what I mean by that is they are simple, easy to do boxes, still with the paper phenomenon wow factor. These boxes you're going to be able to do up or leave them exactly as they are, how whatever you want to do with these boxes. All right, you can do it. The biggest advantage to taking the Boxable workshop is the resizing factor of this workshop. For each box, you get what I call a resizing sheet. I take you step by step by step by step on making every single box whatever size you want, guys. If you wanted a box to fit a mini album this teeny tiny, you can do it because my resizing sheet allows you to do that. All right, so without further ado, let me take you inside this box and share this gorgeous album with you. So it opens up. Ta-da! Flap down. Look at this wonderful opening you have right here. Album comes out, and it's a heavy one, so I've got I got some schmutz there. It's a heavy one, so I've got to pull it out. But let me show you this box very quickly first. So you've got a sweet little belly band here for some goodies. That's where I added the note that she sent me and some photo mats. Once again, this paper is dynamite. So look at the inside of the box. It's really, really super easy to construct. I did a brand new finishing technique on this particular box, so I think you guys are going to enjoy it. I can't wait till you all tell me, give me your feedback on this, the wrapping technique that I did. Again, I think you're gonna love it. So super easy. Flap comes down, flap comes up when you're going to put your lid on there. Once you put your lid on there, it is perfectly tidy. Whoopsie, look at that. Look at the back of it, how beautiful the paper. And it's straight, I promise. The paper is gorgeous. So box number 9. Once again, let me open it. And flap comes down, little spot for interaction, nice open area so you can see what is inside the box. You don't have to make this opening, and I go over that in the tutorial. You can put acetate here. You can do a shaker element if you want to here with if you do a double acetate. You can do all sorts of fun things with these boxes. Again, I give you a blank canvas. You take it up 10 or 15 notches with everything that we have done throughout the year that I have showed you guys how to do with my projects. All right, so beautiful box. Once again, this is a part of the Boxable workshop. With every box that I've shown you in the Boxable workshop, I have shared an album from one of our fellow crafters. This one is from Miss Lina, and she made this gorgeous album with the Gorjuss girls, I believe they're called. I'm not much of a stamper, so forgive me. She painted all of these. She colored them all, painted, colored, uh, either or works, I guess, and it's really beautiful. So let me take you inside. So I thought the paper collection went beautifully with all of the pictures that she has inside and the colors that she used on the inside of the album, not particularly the outside. All right, so here she is. So it says someone to belong to. She goes through lots of different elements in her life. Once again, life is a journey and only you hold the key. So appropriate. Really cute details in this album. I love her embellishing, very minimalistic, however, perfectly placed, which gives a really nice impact and interest and intrigue to the album. I absolutely love it. Down to her paper clips. Super simple, but adorable. Love it. Look at these images, how gorgeous. This paper she actually downloaded, and I will link you all down below because it's a UK site, so you can check that out. So she downloaded this paper, and I believe she printed it herself on her personal printer, which is beautiful, as well as the images. So really adorable and cute. Look at that. How pretty. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. No pun intended. All right, so these are the cards. The super shiny ones are the cards, and the other ones you'll see that they're paint colored in by Lina. So her beautiful mom. All right, and let me put these back. Look at sweet, sweet touch with the ribbon. And you know what? This thin ribbon doesn't create a lot of bulk. I love the buttons here. I love this detail here. Super nice and unique. Love it. Again, some more ribbon. Really cute. So I'm going to throw these in here. So just put everything back where it belongs because I tend to leave things out and don't want to do that. So I love, even though these are bare, again, I'm not a stamper, so that's probably a faux pas for stampers, but I love it. I think it looks really cute. Super duper duper cute. Look at that. Sweet, sweet details on there. And we've got some feet hanging out. We don't want that. So there we go. Just adorable. So we flip that over, and this should all look familiar to you. This album is the All Occasions 2 album. That's the same album I've been showing you throughout this workshop, or the presentation of this workshop. Look at how fun. Obviously a trip to Paris. Love it. Detail once again. Lots of layering. Just really pretty. So this album is not a particular sequential events in her life. This is just snapshots of things she loves, people she loves, everything that she loves. And I love this type of album. Just a snapshot into Lina's life. And that's why this paper for me was so perfect for her album. All right, so it says, great, the supermarket has my blood type. That's hilarious. I love that. And I did talk about this already, but I just want to point out how awesome she made the inside of the envelope. She still did the belly band thing for lots of for opportunities for insertions, but she also added the flap in here, which is wonderful. What happened to Summer? Summer came and went way too quickly. I assume that's her little kitty cat. And then here is, I guess, some more of her favorite things. Look at that, how wonderful. Love that graffiti. Oh, look at this picture. Now that is fantastic. Again, a snapshot into Lina's life. Look at that. And another one of her gorgeous girls. Beautiful. And for those of you who stamp, you probably already know where this paper came from, and how to get it. But if you don't, I will be sure to link down below. All right, look at this. This is just spectacular. 2003. Ugh, this is on my bucket list, just so you know, Lina. I love that. I want to go. This is just phenomenal. Look at that picture there. I love sharing these albums with you guys. I hope you get to see how wonderful it is for you to actually put pictures in your albums. I mean, it absolutely becomes a keepsake. Not just some fun artistic point of view, but you can also store your memories. All right. I don't care what people say about digital. Oh, the pictures on my phone. It's not the same. You don't sit around a living room and say, here, look at the pictures on my phone. You'll say, here, let's look at this album that you grabbed from the coffee table. All right. You do not, you will not do that. I mean, maybe every once in a while, but that's just really not something that rolls off the tongue. Picking up a book, something tangible for you to look at and touch and feel. This is amazing. I mean, I just love it. I love, love, love. Look at that. How beautiful. I know you're not, when you go to an art gallery, you're not supposed to touch. It's so hard for me, just so you know. As you can see, I'm touching all of the pictures and everything. Look at that. How cute. My new bag. That I've never thought about doing that. You know how many, I can make several albums of all my new bags, right? So I love that. Summer 2016, Pokemon Go made us rise from the couch. I love that. So wonderful. Hang me up to dry. Just darling. Ah, so fun. Poker night. My way of losing with style. Ah, love, love, love. There's a picture that goes with this. What did I do with it? I know I photographed it in, oh, it's in here. Nope, this is not it, but it was somewhere in here. Gosh, I photographed it. It'll come up. But look at this, how fun. Her planner project, the planner craze. Love it. Well, you have an interesting life. I can't do a planner thing because my life is boring. Or if I try, perhaps I have things to say, but I think sometimes that I don't have many things to say on a daily basis. But look at that. How fun. I love, love, love the planner project. Lina, did you do this planner project with me? I wonder. Oh, so cute. So cute. I think I must have put the picture in a different place because there was a super cute picture with us, but we'll see if I find it. So here's the center point of this album, the center fold, excuse me. I did a mirror image of this pocket side by side just so you can get a really nice amount of photos or whatever you love. All right, and she did that. This is a really nice take on memory keeping, on things that you love, memorabilia. So this will give you some insight of how you can add things to your albums that are just not necessarily pictures per se, but you can add whatever you want because you can. All right. I love that. I think I'm going to put this little baby over here and do this little baby over here like that. Super duper cute. Adorable. Really nice. Ugh, we can't leave this little girl out, but we'll tuck her in back there. Okay. Gorgeous. Some more gorgeous girls. I didn't even know about these. Look at that. How fun. I've never done any coloring, and I'm kind of happy because if not, I would probably have a bazillion and one Copics. But I've never gotten into the coloring thing. I call myself the lazy crafter because I don't do stuff like that. Ah, look at it. Always scary for kids when dad jumped out of the closet. That actually looks pretty scary. Love, love, love. Oh, that's super sweet the way you attach the cat's photo upside down. I think that's pretty cool. Look, look, look. Starbucks. Oh, the world gets better when you are upside down. Upside and down. Cute. More Starbucks pictures. Lina, I take it you like Starbucks. There's Miss Lina. Look. Lina and her hubby, I assume. Oh, here's this one. Really cute. Look at that. Just a bubblegum shot. How fun. Everyday life, guys. Everyday life photos. These are things that you don't remember, that you just really don't remember. But when you take such a spontaneous photo like this, it's so much fun to just reminisce. Look at that. That's an awesome action shot. My husband always he's so proud of his grass, and he posts pictures of his grass, and Lena has made some comments on his photos and in comparison to her grass, and I can see that there's definitely competition. That's gorgeous. Mm, love. This is a slide. Cute. Love it so much. I love her way of journaling, just easy breezy. I may be able to do some journaling like that. Super easy journaling. Lena, you have inspired me. I'm not making any promises, people. Look at these two pictures, the way she set them up. This one is matted, and this one right behind it. No need to see what's over there. These are the focal points of the images. I love that. Really nice way to set up the photos there. Once upon a time, we were all young and skinny. I know. Adorable. Yummy. Hole in one. Cute. Well, hers says hole in a hole, but that's what I think of immediately when I saw that. Super cute. Oh, his first festival. Just darling. Darling, darling, darling. I don't know what I was thinking about a photo that was over there. May have to go back to my pictures of the project. Look. Ugh, love that. Hello January, hello January, and hello to a new diet. Somebody was doing food prepping, and then over here, really? Miss you already. So fun. That's pretty awesome. You've inspired me to take everyday pictures, Lena. Thank you so much. I love it. I love the decorations in my house. I never think about photographing my house and the decor. This is beautiful. Excellent. Look at that. Just all of the colors in here and showing off your fantastic pots. Love them. I have a couple of them myself. Just beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing this. Hopefully, Lena has inspired you to take pictures of your everyday life. I'm sure many of you do, but for those of you who don't, hopefully this has been inspiring. I absolutely love this album. This is going back to you, Lena, with this box. I hope you love the box. Box number 9, guys. Enjoy, have fun, pick up the Boxable workshop. Dare I say one more time, I'm going to harass you guys until the sale is over. 50% off November 24th through December 15th. You will be able to get 50% off my tutorials, my tutorial and video combos, digital kit clubs, and my licenses. So have at it, make your list, mark your calendars so you can head on over to paperphenomenon.com and take advantage of the sale. I don't do this often, all right? These are sales that everybody waits for. So make sure that you mark your calendar. You don't want to miss it. So expect me to remind you guys almost daily starting next week. All right. I'll see you soon, and on to the next project and on to the next video. Bye bye.